Welcome back to Tito Time! Guess what? School's starting tomorrow, and I've made a special lunch to share with you.
A special lunch, you say? That sounds delicious. Tito, what's in it?
You'll see. It's going to be a great day. That's strange. I thought I packed my lunch last night. Mr. Funny, come check this out.
What's the matter, Tito? Are your lunch buddies playing hide and seek?
No, Mr. Funny. It seems like my lunch is missing. I wanted to show my friends what I packed today.
Oh no! The case of the vanishing lunch. This sounds like a job for the lunch detectives.
Mr. Funny, that is actually a great idea. Let's turn this into an adventure.
An adventure? I'm in, Tito.
Can you help us find my missing lunch?
Yes!
Yay!
But where do we start?
First, we need to gather some clues. Do you see any crumbs or trails of breadcrumbs? Thank you for pointing it out, amigos. Look, Mr. Funny, crumbs over here. And those footprints lead that way.
We're onto something, Tito.
Hey, look at this. My apple has a bite taken out of it.
Oh, and my, oh my. Your cheese seems to have had a little taste test as well.
This is getting interesting. But who could be doing this? So each item has been bitten by somebody. But who?
It's time for some detective work, Tito. Do we have any suspects?
Let's see. Did you see anything, little zebra?
Or you, Miss Giraffe?
Do you hear that?
I hear it. It sounds like somebody eating something.
Let's find out where that sound is coming from. Excuse me. Are you the one who has been eating my food? I cannot understand what she's saying. Do you speak mouse, Mr. Funny?
Actually, yes, I do. I can understand everything she's saying. She says her name is Squeaky. She says she didn't know that was your food. She says she was hungry and she couldn't resist your delicious food. So she ate it, but she is very sorry.
It's okay, Squeaky. You are not in trouble. You can just ask me next time. I will be happy to share some of my meal with you.
Tito, you still have a lunch to pack for your big day tomorrow.
You're right, Mr. Funny. And I'm going to need your help picking the perfect lunch for my first day of school. Are you ready to play a game with us?
Yes!
Yay! Very good. Here's how it works. We have 3 mystery bags. Each bag contains a different lunch. but only one of them has a lunch that's balanced and healthy for my first day of school. Can you help me choose the right one?
Yes! All right, amigos. Here we have the mystery bags. Bag number 1, bag number 2, and bag number 3. Let's see what is inside each one. We need to find a lunch that is balanced and healthy. That means a lunch that has different foods from different food groups.
Oh my! Bag number 1 has chips, candy, and a soda. I don't know about this bag. It doesn't look healthy and it doesn't look balanced. What do you think, amigos? Is this a good lunch for me?
No! Looks like bag number 1 is not the best choice. Let's look at the next bag. Yes, Squeaky, these are 5 apples. 5 apples are a lot of apples for only one person. I guess we could share, but is this a balanced meal for school?
No! Even though apples are delicious and healthy, we need more variety, like vegetables, protein, grains. Let's see what is in bag number 3. Look! Bag number 3 has a turkey and veggie sandwich, an apple, carrot sticks, and water. That seems like a balanced meal for school. What do you think?
Yes!
Yes!
Congratulations, detectives! Bag number 3 is the winner! You've helped Tito choose a healthy lunch for his first day of school.
Thank you all so much for helping me pick the best lunch. With your help, I'm ready for an amazing first day of school.
Squeaky is excited too, and she's happy we made a great choice together.
Who would have thought that a missing lunch could turn into such a fun adventure?
And who would have thought we would find a new friend?
You know, Mr. Funny, sometimes unexpected surprises can lead to the best memories. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click the button with the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like this, so you don't miss any of our videos. See you next time. Adios, amigos.